What is up, guys? I'm here at the airport in Rochester, New York. We're heading down to Tampa today. Quick little pit stop at JFK. But we're doing a content stay at the Sky Beach Hotel and Marina. We're gonna be there until about Wednesday afternoon. So we're gonna be excited to show you guys some footage of that. But next stop from here, you're gonna see me at JFK, and then Tampa from there. And from here, you're gonna see some airline footage. So I will see you guys in New York. Up, guys, just giving you a little room tour here at the Sky Beach Hotel and Marina. This is my bathroom for the next couple of days. Pretty cool. Don't mind the mess. I've just pretty much, got myself into this room and gotten comfy. But there is the bed. Looks pretty good. Charging my drone over there. And my favorite part about this room has to be the view. Such a beautiful view. Stay tuned for more. All right, we made it here to St. Pete, Florida. It was a long day and I'm very tired. So I'm gonna be resting a little bit, charging up my drone. And once that's all set, I'm gonna be going outside. I got a nice little balcony right there. And we're gonna get some drone shots, and then we're gonna check out the restaurant that they got here in the bar. Maybe get some food in the stomach, get some drinks, you know how it goes. And we'll get some shots of there as well. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little montage getting here, and we will see you next time. Peace.